The ACC came out with its first quarter numbers way below the analyst estimates. The profits were lower on account of an exceptional item of 335 crore rupees towards the change in the method of depreciation, although net sales were in line. Let's take it straight to Navneet Saluja for a breakdown of those numbers. Navneet.
Well, the ACC numbers have completely surprised the street, and the reaction could be clearly visible in the stock price. Well, if you look at the numbers, the sales were pretty much in line what we were estimating. They went up by almost 18%, but looking at the PAT figure, that was below our estimates. And well, there was an exceptional item of around 335 crore towards as the company changed its method of depreciation for its captive power plants. But in the numbers, the company has clearly mentioned that had they not changed the method of depreciation, the profits would have been higher by around 230 crore rupees. So if you see, the company has posted a profit figure of around 151 crore rupees, and if you add back the 230 crore rupees, yet the profits would have been below our estimates. Adding both the figures, it would have come up to around 381 crore rupees versus our estimate of around 414 crore rupees. So looking at the profits, they have fallen by almost 67% at around 151 crore rupees. And on the operating front also, the results have been disappointing because the operating profit has risen by 10%, but the margins have dented by almost 160 basis points. That's essentially because of higher power and fuel cost, which went up by almost 41%. And looking at the other figures, the other income for the March quarter went up by almost 42%. And yes, the company posted an exceptional item of around 335 crore rupees, which was towards the change in method of depreciation. So all in all, bad set of numbers coming in there for ACC.